It's lockdown, it's quarantine, it's a pandemic situation. The world has come to a break due to the COVID-19. And basically all the people are staying home, either working from home or sleeping their asses off. And I know this is a serious time and our work culture, our social lives, and a lot of other things are being hampered. But I guess in every bad there's something good, and we all are having a big opportunity here. So if you want to know about the 6 amazing life-changing things that you can do this quarantine, keep watching the video. The first amazing, marvelous, wonderful, beautiful, life-changing thing that you can do this quarantine is learn about investments. It's been just a month and a half and the stock market have already gone down like hell. So if you also want to be rich as hell, this is the time for investments. This is the time for mutual funds. Learn about these things properly on Google or YouTube, or it's even better if you can get someone who can teach you personally and try to invest. You will be damn rich. This is actually a bit of a shortcut to success. Number 2 on the list is learn the 2 C's of life. Number 1 is cooking and number 2 is clothing. It doesn't matter if you are a boy or a girl, but you must know how to cook and you must also know how to wash and iron your clothes. Why I am saying this is because if someday you got separated from your parents, your wife, your girlfriend or anyone, if you know these 2 basic things, you will survive easily for years and years. Keep in mind, cooking and clothing is kind of the basics of survival. Number 3 is quit intoxicatives and start a fitness lifestyle. Let me basically explain what are intoxicatives. Intoxicatives are basically the habit forming chemical compounds that you smoke, you drink or you chew or sometimes you eat, and it gives you a sudden or temporary satisfaction or a kind of good feeling. But these things are damn harmful for the long-term survival of your life. What you have to do is just quit them or stop searching for them, and I guess quarantine is the best time to get away from these habits because basically all the shops which sells intoxicatives are now closed. Instead, what you have to do is try a fitness regimen. What works for you? Do about 100 push-ups, 50 pull-ups, take a walk around your home. I know it will suck in the beginning, but later on you will thank me for this. Number 4 is something very important that you have to do that is work on yourself. Now when I say work on yourself, you have to basically work on yourself on 3 levels. The very first is social level. Learn communication, learn how to make friends, learn how to talk to people, work on your sense of humor. Just try to make yourself a much more interesting person than the person you already are. But the thing is, you can't improvise yourself socially if you don't work on the second point, which is mental level. My brother, my sister, my homie, my shorty, if you are going through any recent trauma, depression, maybe because of a bad breakup or an educational or business failure, or maybe you were kicked out of the job, just do 2 things. Number 1 is accept it. Just don't run from it. Number 2 is try to heal up. Let all of that burden walk away from your shoulders. Free up your mind. These breakups won't last long, just make sure you do. The third one is my favorite, and that is fashion. Learn more about fashion, learn more about dressing up, dressing down, learn color matching, learn how to tie your tie, learn how to wear suits, learn how to wear shirts, learn how to wear t-shirts. It will definitely help you boost up your confidence. It will help you in your dating game. And hey, it's obviously a good thing to look good. Number 5 on the list is have a quality time. I know it's a time where it seems like nothing can go right and all of us are basically sad looking at what's happening all around. Just try to freshen up from time to time. Video call your friends, spend some time online with your girlfriend, make a squad and play PUBG. What does that shot? Spend time with your family, watch Netflix, and if you're single, learn guitar. It's basically up to you how you look at things. You can cry all day on the bed and make situation worse, or you can obviously go learn new things and just capitalize this time. Number 6 is be a responsible citizen. Don't believe in fake WhatsApp forwards. Don't put out ulta-seedha comments and try to create a riot. Don't forget to maintain personal hygiene. And don't forget to make Dalgona coffee, and don't forget to subscribe to Talksstation. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching till here. I will see you in the next video. Till then, love you all.